Hello, I'm Jen Sprague, a revenue workflow specialist here at Scratchpad, and I'm going to show you a better way to convert leads. Currently, you're probably converting leads through Salesforce, waiting for tabs to load, surfacing the lead record to then have to convert it. But you can do that in Scratchpad, so let me show you how. You can either convert your lead through your leads pipeline view, or you can also use Scratchpad Command J or Control J, and search for your lead. So we're going to open up expanded view here, and you want to see your tiles, and you'll see on the lead object, there is a tile called convert lead. So we're going to open up convert lead, and this will pop open your window. So you can convert a lead and you can pick either a new account, contact, or opportunity, or you can choose from an existing account, contact, or opportunity. You also have the option to pick none for an opportunity, or if you're doing new, you can adjust the opportunity name. If you scroll down, you'll then see you can adjust the account and opportunity owner, and the converted status will change to closed converted. From there, we're going to click on convert lead, and you'll see there the lead is converted. You can also adjust the records from here as well. So if there's any fields you need to adjust or any information you need to add once you've converted your lead, you can do it from here, and you can always go back and go into another record. So there you have it. You can convert your lead in less than a minute. Try it out today in Scratchpad.